welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, I'm Miriam J. What it do? Make sure you subscribe. So today I'm having several hairy situations. I am due for a waxing and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So if you guys want to know how I wax my body at home, please keep watching. So the first thing I did was hop in the tub so I could take like a mini bird bath. No, but seriously, you have to make sure you clean any area that you're going to be waxing, because if you have lotion, deodorant, oils, anything on your skin, the wax will literally not stick and you're going to find yourself waxing for no reason, because the hair is not going to come out because the wax won't be able to stick. So you want to make sure you really get rid of any of those residues. I use an exfoliating glove and some regular schmegular soap, and I made sure I rinsed everything off super well, and also make sure you dry everything super well as well. So this is the wax kit that I will be using. I freaking loved it. It was amazing. It was so easy to work with. I actually got it off of Amazon, so I will make sure I link it down below. But it came with these hard wax pearls that were so easy to work with. I freaking love them. I also made sure I had some alcohol on deck, and these came with some tongue depressors as well in 2 different sizes. So make sure you set your wax warmer to the highest temperature, because you want your pearls to melt all the way down. So I went ahead and added my hard pearls to my wax warmer, and it took about 10 minutes to completely melt. So while I waited for that to melt, I applied some baby powder to my legs just to absorb any excess oils or, sweat. And I used a paper towel to lightly dust it across my legs. Make sure you guys don't use too much. As you can see, our wax pearls are completely melted, but right now it's a little too hot to put on your skin. I mean, it's like almost 300 degrees. Like, you don't want to put this on your skin. So you want to decrease your temperature down to about 180, maybe 170. And let it cool off for a little bit until it turns into like a honey-like consistency. What I did here is I was actually testing it to see like if my skin could handle the temperature before I put it on a super big area. So make sure you do that for the purposes of measuring the So I scooped my wax out and I twirled my stick around until it stopped dripping, and then I applied the wax into my skin. You're actually going to want to go with your hair growth. So if it's going to be your legs, you're going to actually want to start from the top and work your way to the bottom and create a thick layer towards the bottom where you're going to be pulling the wax off. It takes a few seconds to dry, so you can go ahead and start on another area while you're waiting for your first strip to dry. After your wax strip dries, you want to lift a small area at the bottom, and you're going to pull upwards, and you're going to immediately take your hand and relieve the sting by rubbing on the area. It literally is an immediate relief. So I am just repeating the process on a new area. Another thing to note, on your legs, you can do the same area a couple of times, but you can't go past like, I think 3 or 4 times, because you'll really traumatize the skin. So if the hair is not coming out after like your 3rd go, you want to just go ahead and pluck the hairs. Another thing to know, if you are waxing your legs or your armpits or wherever and you notice not many hairs are coming out, it will be a good idea to go back to cleansing, because that just means you have some oil, sweat, or debris on your skin that just needs to get off. So I would recommend you go ahead and cleanse again, get all that residue, debris, oil, whatever off, so when you continue on, all the hairs can come off effectively. All right, now let's hit these hairy armpits. They're so disgusting, like what in the world? But I'm going to, you know, dry up any sweat or oils that I have under my armpits with some baby powder. You know, same situation that I do with my legs. Use very light amounts. I'm gonna use a nice chunk of wax because the hairs under my armpits are super thick, so you want to make sure you use a nice amount of wax. Again, going from top to bottom, and I'm gonna stop at the middle because I'm not even gonna lie, this part is a little painful, so you want to start with small sections. Don't mind me here, guys. I'm just multitasking. Literally, when I'm waxing my body, I will wax like 7 different areas at once. Ooh, look at her with that wax. Ooh, get it. What? You model that wax, girl. So after it dries, you want to pull a little portion and pray to Jesus real quick. And here we go. Oh my gosh, I feel it all over again. Like, you guys, it hurts. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, but it is so effective, and the hairs will stay away for a good 2.5 to 3 weeks. Like, now I'm moving on to the bottom. I'm gonna start from the middle, and I'm gonna work my way down. For the bottom of your pits, you want to wax upwards because the hairs grow in a different direction, apparently. I don't know. But look at all the hairs that I pulled out. Isn't that gross? But like so satisfying at the same time because they're no longer on my body. So when you are done, you're actually going to be left with a few pieces of wax around your body. The best way that I find to get them off is with alcohol. So I just put some alcohol on a paper towel and I'm just lightly rubbing the residue off. And as you can see, it came off pretty easily. So after that, I moisturize my legs with some coconut oil, and that is how I wax my legs at home, guys. I freaking love the results all the time. They last up to 3 weeks, and I already know you guys are gonna love your results too. So just make sure you guys let me know if I motivated you to start waxing your body at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.